Hi, my Klatch family. Welcome to Journal of Kitchen Klatch. Let's learn food differently. There is something I have noticed over the years. Many of us grew up around food. We watched our mothers cook. We watched our grandmothers cook. We learned recipes. We learned traditions. We learned what tasted good. But very few of us were ever taught how to truly understand food. We know how to prepare meals, yet many people still struggle with questions like, what makes a meal nourishing? Why do some children eat regularly but still lack proper nutrition? Why does one person's food always taste balanced and memorable while another person's food feels flat even when they use similar ingredients? Why are some food businesses constantly busy but never truly profitable? Why do so many women feel exhausted by the daily responsibility of feeding a family? The truth is, food is much deeper than recipes, and that's why Journal of Kitchen Klatch exists. My name is Maryam Akano-Lawal, and I would like to officially welcome you to Journal of Kitchen Klatch. This is not a recipe channel, although we will create beautiful recipes here. It is not a food entertainment channel, although we will enjoy food together. And it is not a place where I simply show you what I cooked today. It is a place where we will learn food. We will learn the science behind food. We will learn the structure behind food. We will learn the creativity behind food. We learn the business behind food. And most importantly, we will learn how food affects our lives in ways many of us never stop to think about. Food is not just what sits on the plate. Food is nourishment. Food is healthy. Food is memorable. Food is culture. Food is family. Food is comfort. Food is opportunity. Food is business. Food is one of the few things that connects every single one of us, regardless of where we come from. Yet, many people spend years cooking without ever understanding why food works the way it does. One of the things I am passionate about is helping people see food differently. For example, many parents genuinely believe that as long as a child is eating, everything is fine. Everything is not fine, you. But eating and nourishment are not always the same thing. A child can eat regularly and still miss important nutrients needed for growth and development. A meal can be filling but not nourishing. And until we understand that difference, we may continue making decisions that look good on the surface but do not fully support the people we love. I am also deeply passionate about flavor. Not just cooking, flavor. Because flavor is not luck. Flavor is structure. Many people follow recipes exactly and still wonder why their food does not taste quite right. I've done it before. I will watch some videos. By the time I'm trying to replicate what the person did, I don't get it right. I don't know why, but now I do. Sometimes it's not the recipe. Sometimes it is balance, salt, acidity, sweetness, texture, aroma. Understanding how these work together can completely transform how you cook. And I believe every home cook deserves to understand that. Another area we will explore together is recipe innovation. This is one of my favorite parts of food. I enjoy experimenting. I enjoy taking familiar ingredients and seeing new possibilities. I enjoy creating meals that are nourishing, practical, affordable, and exciting at the same time. You can feel it in my tone. Because food, it should inspire us. For those who run food businesses or dream of starting one, we will talk about that as well. Because making good food and running a successful food business are not always the same thing. I've started a food business before without money and it was successful. So many food businesses struggle not because the food is bad. They struggle because there is no system, no pricing structure, no consistency, no process, no understanding of profitability, and these are things we will discuss openly. As someone who studied animal nutrition and biotechnology, has a deep love for agriculture, oh my goodness, I love agriculture, enjoys growing herbs, developing recipes, mixing, teaching students, and understanding ingredients. Food has never been just a hobby for me. It has always been something I wanted to understand deeply. And through Journal of Kitchen Klatch, I want to share that journey with you. Not as someone who knows everything, of course, nobody knows it all, but as someone who loves teaching, learning, experimenting, and helping others build confidence in the kitchen. So what you can expect here and what you should expect here. You can expect conversations about nourishment, conversations about children and healthy feeding, conversations about flavor, conversations about ingredients, conversations about food business, conversations about kitchen systems, conversations about local ingredients, conversations about creativity, and conversations that help us understand food beyond recipes. If that sounds like something you have been looking for, then I believe you found your people. Because this is more than an audience. This is more than followers. This is a community. A place for people who want to learn. A place for people who are curious. A place for people who want to grow. A place for people who believe food can improve lives. Welcome to the Klatch family. I am genuinely glad you are here. So subscribe, like, share, and follow this channel. And remember this, at Journal of Kitchen Klatch, we don't just cook food, we understand it, we explore it, we improve it, and together we learn food differently. I am Maryam Akano-Lawal, and I will see you in the next conversation. My Klatch family, I'm going to leave you with this. At Journal of Kitchen Klatch, we don't just cook food though. Remember, we understand it, we explore it, we improve it, and together we learn food differently. Signing out right now.